Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. In today's video, we are gonna learn how to fix can be displayed on Telegram. Open the Telegram app on your cell phone. Now go to your mobile setting. Now search for the Telegram app in the setting. Tap on Permissions. Now go to Camera Permissions. Now select Allow while using the app. Now go to Location. Select Allow all the time. Do the same for microphone and music and audio permissions. Open the Telegram app. And it's done. Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.